Daddy in the young man, bug suman, puto in the loy, tagpiso lang, chay sumpay, itlog tatay. Hello guys!
Here's our next one. What is this flavor?
Creamy white.
Creamy white.
Okay. That was my name in school.
That's creamy white.
Our next one,
Una sa ikudaw.
we have
Una sa ikabi.
what?
Saguntin.
Do you know what flavor this is?
So, kung yung flavor, ano?
Bas.
Ha?
Bas. 3 in white.
3 in
3 in
1. Okay.
3 in 1, yun sa.
This is creamy white.
White nice kapi. Lami. Bait.
He's tasting it like a burr brand, like, ito na big.
Do you guys have coffee often? Like,
No. Dili mo pero magkape?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
what do you usually drink? What kind of coffee?
Coffee or burr brand?
It is white.
Greatest, right?
Greatest.
Yeah.
Blanca.
Kopi ko blanca. I think
Okay.
they're the lighter version of coffee.
Gotcha.
Init. Gamay.
Bug now.
Init gamay. Buwa ko. Bunga.
Good na? Asa mas lamig? Katong ganina or kan?
Kani.
Kana.
Yep.
There you go.
All right. Give it a try.
Give it a try. Does it taste good? Unsay lami ate compare sa greatest white? Compared to greatest white, what's the difference? Or you can tell the difference? It's like all coffee.
I just can't tell it.
You just can't tell it.
1 to 10?
Pila yung ma-rate ana? 100.
100.
Nga nang 100 man.
Lami.
Mas lami na siya.
Junay pait.
Na ulit. Ikaw long?
Same.
Same?
100?
100? No. Rate from 1 to 10 ate. Ikaw ate, Mutia.
100.
100?
Oh.
You like this? Ikaw ate Rabi.
12.
12.
Okay. Here's your hot water. This one's already open. There we go, just regular Nescafe. So take the spoon, it's open here. Already.
Ay, open mo tayo na.
And then
Oh, pitsara. Okay.
there you go.
Sige.
Tell them to take a small,
Gamay ra ha. Ayaw lang kayo daghana. Sige.
smell it.
Bas.
Bus?
Gamay lang sikip.
It's like sand. Gamay ra daw, Jake.
Very small. There you go. That's good.
Kana.
And then pour it in here.
Sige.
Next we've got Nescafe Classic. Just take a small spoonful and mix it into the water.
Asa na siya? Nescafe flavor?
Black.
Black.
Ay.
Sige, sige. Gamay lang ha. Iwasin mga rag na mo.
What's the smell?
Say humot.
Pait.
Pait.
What?
Taste bitter.
Need gamay.
Even if it's still smelling it.
This is black
Yung
coffee.
puro.
Anda? Anda, Jake?
Yung puro. Yung puro.
Yung puro.
Puro. Niskapi. Niskapi. Classic.
Have you guys had black coffee before?
No.
No.
Okay, well you're in for a treat.
Gamay ra ha. Gamay ra. Gamay pa. Sige. 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 Okay. They might get shocked for the... Oh!
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Mix
good.
it up.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to add some water in it.
I think it's gonna be weak.
Just a little bit.
Wait, kamay.
Wait, kamay. They're looking for sugar.
Ah,
I-try daw nga, walay sugar. Sige daw, gamay lang.
Wait,
Yan,
Try it just like that. That's how I drink it.
Gamay ra. Sige na.
Yeah. Blow on it. Blow.
Init
There
na.
you go.
Yeah. Who wants to try it first? They're pointing fingers right now.
You like it?
Pait. Look at their faces. They're like, ikaw, Jake. Ikaw, Jake.
Gamay yun.
Hipi ha.
Murag tambal.
Huh?
May lasa.
Do you like it? It's good. Maayo.
It's good.
May
Manipid
lasa.
mo nun ni Kuya Chris sa gym.
Hindi pwede, di yung kamay.
Dibot niya kamay. Ang dami lamin niya.
Pait.
Pait.
Mura siya kanang bugas nga sinunog.
Bugas niya sinunog.
Pag ipakuha mo yung diding sa una.
It's like sinangag rice. Yeah. But it's too black.
Like burnt rice?
Burnt rice. Yeah. You got it. That's why Mutia was saying, like, my mom, their grandma, was like making the kind of burnt rice and then wants her to drink some of it when she was younger.
Yeah, my grandpa drank this too. Just gross, bitter. Yeah.
And now you're drinking it.
Sure.
We're drinking it now.
Rate 1 to 10.
Pila niyo ma-rate, ana? Kanalay niyo yung nun, ha?
5.
5?
5?
Ikaw, Jake?
9.
9?
9?
Oh.
Oh, from 100 to 9. Yeah.
Ganang kay tubig? Dili ra. Pait?
You don't want to finish it?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay. All right, scale of 1 to 10.
Ate? What about you? 8?
8.
For me, it's like 2/10.
2. Okay, that's accurate. Last coffee. There's your water. And then we have this.
Pinipiti.
What is that called? What's the name?
Kopi ko. Kopi ko.
That's the brand. But
Ano?
Saan? Pagbasa.
try.
Sina.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Okay.
Ikaw lang?
Kapusino.
Cappuccino.
All right, guys. Last coffee. What is this called?
Kopi ko. Cappuccino?
Ah, you got it right. Cappuccino. Yeah.
Ate?
Cappuccino.
How do you read that? Kopiko.
Cappuccino.
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 Oh.
There are
Cappuccino.
directions on the back.
Tanawa sa likod. Tanawa sa likod na instruction.
Sabi ni siya, kaning kindi. Kindi. Kindi.
Yeah. Pull it off.
Kindi.
Read the instructions. It tells you how to do
Ay,
it.
ibutang ni yung kindi. Ni kumang timpla.
Yeah.
Ibutang niyo na.
Okay.
Ate, kuha gama ano. Kalawi, lami kayo. Ay, di na lang yung timpla ko.
Timplaha.
Pour.
They want to taste it like it as is.
There you go.
Di na lang kami timpla ko kaya lami.
What do you think of that? Open that. It's a surprise. You're asking if it's like steer well, I think. Steer well.
Turns into foam.
Foamy.
Booyah, booyah,
Buwa.
booah.
Ate,
That's all I want to see.
chocolate.
Yeah.
What the?
Ay, dagan na.
You put on top.
Burot na na.
There you go.
Milo. Milo.
There you go.
Timplaha sa. Timplaha.
Ah,
Ah, nahimog cellphone.
very beautiful.
Milo.
Okay. Yeah. And you can see on the picture, it's like little chocolate on top.
Oh.
How do you do that? Like, how do you say it?
Kalawi, kalawi. Lami. Wag nang,
Lami?
wag tang pait.
Utang pait.
Naibuwa.
Ang saan magbasa? Basa balik?
Cappuccino.
Oh!
Perfect.
Careful ha. Buwa. Foamy. Buwa. She said it's buwa. Isa? Say na agaw?
Buwa.
Buwa. I was gonna tell you, like, it's foam. He said, like, buwa. Oh, thanks for that, Carlo.
Look.
Asa mas lami?
Kani.
Asa mas lami? Katong Swiss, katong
3-in-1.
creamy white.
Kani.
You
Kana?
like this?
Oh,
Kani.
karon. Unsa naa siya'y? Foam.
Foam.
Buwa.
Buwa.
Kanina?
Wala.
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 Nay marshmallow sa Swiss Miss.
Swiss Miss.
Nay marshmallow.
Nay marshmallow ang Swiss Miss, ang cheese Miss.
Sa Nescafe.
Nescafe kay wala.
Wala.
Kani nay buwa.
Buwa.
Foam. From 1 to 10, pila ang rate? Pila yung grado?
Infinite.
Pila?
Infinite.
Infinite?
Infinite. Wow. You can't get higher than infinite.
Yeah. Ikaw lang?
Same.
Same.
What would you say 1 to 10 on cappuccino?
10.
10.
10?
For me, 200.
300.
300? That's how many pesos it costs in America. Okay.
Because it's 300. Asa mas lami ate? Yung pinaka-favorite? The Nescafe Blue, the Chismis, the Cappuccino, Copico, Nescafe Black, so let's do that.
Cappuccino.
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 Ikaw ate?
I still like the
The
boba.
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 Oh, Cheryl likes the boba.
How are you feeling after 5 coffees?
Unsay na feel ninyo after sa kuan? 5 ka coffee. Ha? Lamig?
Ang
Unsa man
usa.
kanang kapoy, kanang ganahan ng
Singot.
ulihok, singot. They feel hot.
Ah,
Even though they drank like 2 or 3
yeah.
cold.
I can tell they're sweating.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Perfect.